Alright, let's move on to number 2. For the function f of x equals x squared minus x plus 1, what is the value of the limit as h approaches 0 of f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 over h? Basically, this is the definition of the derivative, right? The limit of the average rate of change is the instantaneous rate of change, which is the fundamental concept of derivative. So the basic formula is limit as h approaches 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h is equal to f prime of a. In other words, it's the instantaneous rate of change of the function f at x equals a, also known as the derivative. Or geometrically, it represents the slope of the tangent line to the function f at that point. So in conclusion, the expression given in the problem, right, this limit is the same as f prime of 1. That means we just need to find f prime of 1. To do that, we differentiate the given function and then substitute x with 1. Basically, since f of x is a polynomial function, we can use the power rule for differentiation. So when you differentiate x to the power of n, right, if you differentiate this, the original exponent, which is n, comes down as a coefficient like this, and the new exponent becomes 1 less than before, so it'll look something like this. So let's just apply this rule to each term of the polynomial. Then f prime of x would be 2x power of 1, 1x power of 0. And basically, when you differentiate a constant, it just disappears, which means it becomes 0. So let's just write as plus 0. So therefore, it's 2 times x minus 1. So, and since with sums and differences, you can just differentiate each terms separately. Differentiation is quite straightforward like this. So now we need to plug in 1 into the function f prime of x. So therefore, f prime of 1 equals 2 times 1 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1. Therefore, it's 1. Therefore, the answer is 1. In other words, the correct choice is option 1.